Hey guys, you're welcome. In today's video, we'll be making cake buns. This is around 60 something pieces of cake buns, and at least with this measurement, you're sure of 60 pieces. Stick to this video to the end and don't forget to like this video. If you're new, you're welcome. Here you need 4 eggs, you need your salt, sugar, butter, flour, evaporated milk, any fresh milk can go, baking powder, cinnamon, and vanilla flavor. I call this Buns cake, so we'll be making it exactly the way we'll start our cake baking. Yes, the first thing is to mix all your dry ingredients and set them aside. Mix them thoroughly and you set aside. Inside your butter, add your sugar to it and you start whisking. You start creaming. Cream and cream before you start adding other ingredients. If you're new to this channel, this is the first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. So feel free to be a part of this channel only by subscribing. I've poured the eggs and I'll continue mixing only by clicking on the subscribe button. Subscription is free. Feel free to share this to your friends and family. If you have been eating buns, this is a different ball game. Seriously, please, you have to come and try this particular buns, and I promise you, you will stop making other recipes and this will be your best. Indeed, it tastes like cake. So this is my best buns ever. So you mix, you add in your vanilla flavor, and you mix, you start adding in your flour. The flour is the whole mixture of all the dry ingredients together. Keep mixing and mixing and mixing till everything gets inside. When it's too thick, you can go in with your hand and start beating the batter. Yeah. Have you liked this video? Have you liked? Support this channel by only liking this video, and feel free to support my new channel at Mix's Progress Innocent channel on YouTube. So come around, subscribe. Please take your time to beat this batter very well. If you can beat it with your wooden stick, no problem, with your hands till it's looking so elastic like mine, and you start frying. So this is the way I fry. Yes, you mold it exactly the way you mold your puff puff. Any way you know you mold your puff puff, go in that way, it will come out pretty beautiful. So you know, if you're starting the first time, please, you need only medium heat, please, not low heat, not high heat, just on a medium set, you're good to go. So take your time so that the buns will be able to cook inside and also cook outside. Yes, so I'll take my time to do this. I'm using two different oil, would I call it oil, or different pots to fry this right now, because I just want to finish frying on time, so I don't want to like waste my time. If you have the biggest fry pan you can use, just to be fast and quick, no problem. Please don't be in a haze and you say, let me hide the heat. The inside will just be watery and the outside will just be dry. That's what you will get, and before you know it, you start burning. So just make sure it's on a normal medium heat so that you'll be able to get your buns crispy, yummy, and lovely. So feel free to do this, and I promise you it will be lovely at the end. Have you liked this video? Have you liked this video? I'm taking my time to show you how I mold mine so that you will not struggle molding yours. So I don't want to like fast forward this side so that when you're trying out your own, don't say I've tried it the first time, it's not working, I'm giving up. No. Keep trying till you get used to it. Yes, molding things is not easy, but when you get used to it, you will enjoy it, I promise you. So like this video, share to your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. If today is your first time of watching this video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. So here I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. So be a part of this lovely channel only by subscribing. That is all. Yeah, subscription is free. That's the simple truth. So just take your time. You can see it's cooking on a low heat, it's frying on a low heat. So that is what you need. You can see the brown is coming out bit at a time, not like it's rushing, it's burning. No. Just take your time, everything will come out pretty nice and beautiful at last. Okay, this one is pretty ready. I'll start removing it immediately. Have you liked my video? Have you liked? Tell me you have liked this video. Have you liked? Have you commented? Feel free to share to your friends and family. See, if you love buns, try this recipe. This will be your best recipe ever. Till now, I still love this recipe. If you want to make normal buns, I will advise you to make this because it tastes exactly like cake. So I'm going in with the second batch. So I was able to get more than 60 pieces, but at least with this recipe, these are around 1 kg recipe. So you will get more than 60 pieces. You are sure of 60 and more. You can see the molding. The molding don't need to be too big because if it's too big, you will suffer. Yeah, what I mean by you suffer, you will not know whether it's ready or it's not ready. And again, it normally comes up with the help of the baking powder. It normally comes up, so make sure it's on a medium heat, please, to avoid the outcome of my own is not fine, your own is finer than mine. Just look at this beauty. Isn't this beautiful? If you want yours, okay, like this, but at least it's good, it's well browned, so that when it comes out, it will give you that beautiful golden look. Have you liked this video? Have you subscribed? Be a part of this lovely channel only by subscribing. Like my video. So join my new channel, my lifestyle channel at Mrs. Progress Innocent. So come on YouTube, come around on YouTube, check out for Mrs. Progress Innocent and be a part of that lovely channel. We are done. You can see the final look. Thanks for watching. Bye.